Welcome to Prolific Geeks. Uh, Today we are very excited. Why? Because we have launched our a very special software, which is SP Roll, and in this software, you don't need to change anything in your printer. You don't need to give for customization to convert into a roll-to-roll model or something. You don't need to buy any electronics. You just need to buy our this software. Okay, so what is the benefit of this software is, first of all, you just take a printer, you just open this SP roll, buy this dongle, mm, buy this dongle from us. Okay, and it will be a just see like this. You got some license dongle not found. I have removed it and I got issues. Okay, so the thing is yeah, just a second. Okay, so in this SP role, what all features are there? We'll just go one by one. First of all, you will get a roll-to-roll features without any hardware changes. I mean, you don't need to change your ASF unit. You don't need to put any simulator. You just put our software. It will take the prints unlimited without giving an extra forward roll also. Okay, so this is the first feature. Second feature is you can directly give a print from any application. Okay, Corel Draw and PSD. By selecting our SP role, you can directly print from that. Okay, so this is the second feature. Third features, you can do a wet cap, but you can do the wet cap on your printer. Now DTF is requiring the wet cap solution. Why? Because we are using a white ink, so underneath we need to put some solutions on this. Okay, so this wet cap solution, this wet cap function will be giving you a very extra functionality. You just need to click on this wet cap. Okay, and the head will come in center, and after coming the head in center, you have a time to just do the you can just put a cleaner on that or a wet cap solution in that, and then it will be come back in a same position and you can start your you can close your printer. Okay, so it won't dry. So this is a third feature. You won't get this kind of features in anywhere, in any software, in any roll to roll software in a world. Okay, so the fourth feature is you can directly give a print, directly just give a acrorip print. From there it will take a auto mode. Like you just select, you need to select auto mode. It will give a print directly from there. You don't need to open you can minimize your software, but it will directly give a roll to roll print. Okay, so that will be a auto mode. Okay, so this is another fourth functionality. Fifth functionality is you can if you having a shaker, automatic shaker, A3 size, and yeah, A4 size printer. Okay, so you can make a roll to roll, plus with the shaker also you can make it. By using our software you will be getting so much benefit. You will be having a powder speed configuration. Okay, like you can put a speed up to like 25. If you are printing in a 720 dpi mode, just increase the speed so the film will be coming out more, and powder will be get applied easy. Okay, so this is fifth feature. Sixth feature is you can select a multiple printers, and you can select any job. So this is a job manager, though you will get all listed here. Whenever you will be printing from acrorip, the job will be get listed here, and you can select the job, and you can select a printer here. Suppose here many printers are displayed. you just select it and we can add printers here. Okay, like this printer is also there, we can just give a this. Okay, so now I need to give this printer to this. Okay, so I'll just select this. Okay, and I'll just click on start job. So what it will do, it will start the print from this model, which is printer selected. Okay, so same applies to other job also. Like when you give a selection and select the printer, you can give to a many printer in a same time. Okay, you can have some network USB. Okay, and you can give a multiple printers at a time. So that is like a one good benefit. I don't think so there are any other software which is giving this kind of functionality. So this is the sixth feature. Seventh feature, you can set up a PRN settings is in just a one click. If you just go through the roll to roll softwares which in market people are selling, and whoever having it, they need so much of like Windows configuration where you need to select create one printer, virtual printer, and then it will be create one PRN file, and then you need to select that PRN file to print. Okay, so here you don't need to do anything. You just need to click on setup printer. It will automatically create a virtual printer, and you just select in a acrorip. You need to select that virtual printer. That's all. You don't need to create any printer or something, and it will take it automatically. Means the software gives a all type of functionality. Okay, so this is um, seventh feature. The eighth features is if you wanted to cut your film. Okay, and like the job is printed, the film is coming, and you wanted to like move your film more. So you just need to select this eject and cut button, and just give the how much centimeter it should eject. Okay, so just give a 10 or 15 and the roll will be going forward. Okay, so this is like eighth feature. Ninth feature, you can make a sheet mode and roll mode anytime. Means if you wanted to go with the sheet mode, means you wanted to feed sheet by sheet instead of roll, you just select the sheet by sheet and select a job and click on start job. Okay, it will, you can print that job easy. Okay, so that is also another feature. At any point of time you wanted to the 10th feature is at any point of time if you wanted to pause your job, you can just click on pause job. It will be stay, means it will be like stuck there for a while, and again you click on start job, it will start it from there only. Okay, this is a benefited for those who are having a multiple jobs in a multiple thing. Maybe this is required, that's the reason we have added it. Okay, so the 11th feature is the job manager. The job manager which having so many facility. The job manager facilities give you a tremendous work. No need to buffer your history job again and again. Just select your printed job and just click on start job. Okay, so you just need to select the job and again gives a print. Okay, so you don't need to go to acrorip and do that print again and again. You just it's already buffered file came here. You just need to select and then click on start job, it will print again. Okay, so this is the 11th feature, which is really good and beneficial for all productive people. So yeah, so another feature is like whenever the file is came in your job manager and you wanted to make a multiple copies of this, so you just need to select the file name and the copies here. Just apply, just give the name and then select the copies here and then click on apply. Okay, so what it will do, it will apply multiple jobs here, and you can print it the same number of copies by clicking on start job. Okay, coming to the third features is like at any stage if you wanted to cancel or delete your job, select the job and delete it. And if you wanted to remove it from the printer, you just need to power off your printer. If you press the recycle bin, there will be some issues because we are triggering some apps and drivers which may create issue when you click on recycle bin button. Okay, so that is a little tricky. We are working on it, but soon it will be get fixed, this issue. But till version 1.6 we have fixed so many things, so many feedbacks came, and till now we have made our things very perfect. Okay, so 14th feature is you can give a distance of your pages, like distance of your printed films. People have so many issues, like whenever they print a roll, the so much of roll paper come out without informing you. So here we have a thing, like you can uh, uh, just put a how much centimeters you wanted to have a distance in between the pages. You can just give a 5 mm or 6 mm, or sorry, centimeter. So it will give a space and then start a job. Okay, or either you can just put 0, it will start it from there only. So it's a really good benefit. And yeah, so this is the 14th one, which is really good. The 15th one is a no film extra will come out, will stop print wherever it's completed. Yes, so wherever the job is completed, it will be get stopped then and there. You don't need to think of ki arey chalo roll will be coming out so much, I need to make it forward, like backward again. So that you don't need to do it. It will stop it then and there only. So this is the 15th one. uh, this is all. There are other features, like you can do the head cleaning also, and you can add so many printers also. And you can change your file name, and you can remove a job, you can refresh, you can if the dongle is not available. So many other features are there which is not related to a productive thing. So these are all features which I have identified, and I have just seen in this. From past 2 days I'm working on this only. So whatever the updates is, we have given it to developer and he has updated it. And the version which we have got is 1.6. Okay, so they have not updated. The SP role is just a name. Instead of this name, the prolific name will be coming. So soon we are going to give. Already 10 keys is sold out, and we are waiting for another keys also. Leads are welcome. So the cost of this all on the software of this is 15,000 rupees. This software, you will get a one dongle with this. And with this, if you need a roll holder, or if you have any jugaad to do a roll holder, you can make it. Otherwise you can buy our roll holder. I'll just show you. I need to showcase this because the camera is here. So this is a roll holder. This is very easy. Like we'll be giving this this thing here. Okay, like this we'll dismantle it. It's easy to ship. Only these many things will be there. We'll remove this, we'll remove this. In a like 150 rupees, the whole set of things will be get to your place. Okay, so either it is international or a national, we can sell it anytime. Okay, so this is one. So I'll just put it all together so it will be easy for you guys to understand. So just put it. So this is software. Okay, so this is a software. This is your roll holder, and this is your vacuum. Okay, it's have a forward reverse switch to printer to this one. You have a vacuum ka speed also. Okay, and here the wire is coming out that you need to put it in printer, that we will guide you. So all these things you just need to use it, and that's all. You will convert the roll to roll software by your own. Now coming it to coming to cost factor. So what are the cost is, we'll just focus on something. Here the cost factor for this whole thing will be 6,000, 3,000, and 15,000. 6, 3, 9,000, 9 and 15. You can calculate, it will be a 24,000. Okay, so 24,000 for entire setup. If you are very smart enough, you can just buy a roll to roll software and do it rest of things by your own. Okay, and there is another option to not to use this forward backward vacuum wala thing. I have another option that also I'll share you. Apart from this, if you need something else like ink circulation unit, so we already showcase in our videos like normal, medium, advanced. So these are like circulation models rate 4,000 rupees, 6,000 and 12,000. 12,000 will be directly circulating from the damper to bottle with the one touch head clean and with the ink circulation stereo system, and everything will be there in this. Okay, coming to the print conversion cost, if you are giving your printer, if so I'll be charging a 5,000 rupees, and if you have a old printer, then I'll be charging old printer to clean your sublimation ink or any ink, and I'll clean it and make it ready for this. So you will give a printer, I'll be charging you 5,000, and then 800 rupees cleaning cost. Okay, so these all things are there. Okay, and above this, if you need a new printer, so that cost will be extra. Okay, so this is all for our new software and a new updated thing for you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. This is Tarun Kumar signing off.